Hey guys, this is the Marsail Ergonomic office chair. Also can be a gaming chair, just a great chair for if you're wanting a good setup that's real comfortable and just feels really good on your back. It does have lumbar support, and I'll kind of show you the different features in a second, but yeah, it also has a 2D headrest, and you can move the armrests up and down. The mesh material that it's made out of, that is right here on the head and on the bottom, are pretty breathable. They do feel pretty good, and they are supportive. Like, it's a really supportive chair, so really like that. And everything's really adjustable. So for example, my husband is 6'3" and he fits in this chair perfectly, and I'm a little bit smaller at like 5'7", and I still fit in this chair perfectly just because of how customizable it is. And yeah, so I'll kind of go into it, but it supports weight up to 300 pounds. And this back part is 20.5 inches like high, so, and it stays like that. And then the actual cushion of the chair right here is it's 18.5 inches across, so really fits a lot of different sizes. And the actual like headrest right here is 5.7 inches to 8.7 inches depending on how you want to like adjust it, because you can adjust it really good. And this is the color in black. So just looks real clean, modern, and nice. It just goes with everything. And yeah, in total, the whole thing is 27.6 inches wide, and then it is 43 inches high up to. So really nice. And yeah, I'll kind of show you the different things. The wheels, you can hardly even hear them. So this is on hardwood floor, and they just swivel 360 around, so really like that. And then also it has a little customizable like pump that you can lower or higher this little cushion, like your chair, up and down. As you can see, you can also lock it or unlock it. And then yeah, it's really cushiony, comfortable material, as you can tell, really just breathable and really comfy. And then the actual armrests have little pads on them, and you can adjust them. You can make them go in and out like that. You can also make them go further out, or further back in, depending on what you're wanting. You can also just fully lift it up if you're not wanting the armrest, but it is nice to have, and like that customization. The back, as you can tell, it does have lumbar support. So right here, this little cushion, you can customize it, make it go like more in and out, depending on what you want. And then this little guy, you can add this on. You don't need it if you don't want, but I like it. You can make it go this way, just really customizable. You can also push it down or higher it up, depending on if you're a taller person and need more neck support, or if you don't need it at all. So just love how amazing and just like functional it is, and how customizable it is, because like I said, lots of different types of people can just sit in this. So that's really nice. You can also lean back a little bit with with it being supportive, because it is two-dimensional head and neck support. So really love that. It's cool, breathable, and just feels really good. So I would definitely recommend, if you are looking for a chair, whether it's for gaming or for working, whatever, this is a great one to have.